You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this phobia, of this fear. If you want to learn more impossible to pronounce fear names or names of different phobias, stay tuned about excellent videos you need to watch next. Athazagoraphobia is how it's pronounced. It's an intense fear of being forgotten about or forgetting someone or something. Athazagoraphobia. Agora is the emptiness. It's a mouthful, isn't it? Even I struggle. Atha, with th pronounced with your tongue between your teeth. Athazagoraphobia. Alright, one last time. English pronunciation. Athazagoraphobia. Do you got it? Can you remember this? Are you able to pronounce it correctly? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.